Good morning, guys. This weekend we worked on the playhouse and I wanted to show you the progress we did. It was raining the whole weekend, so we did as much as we could. And it's all muddy, so I'm gonna try to walk through here in a second. All right, here we go. We didn't get to finish that top part, but we got at least one window. Let me put it. All right, the door is 30 by 60, so it's for kids. It's not for us adults. You see, when I stand up, we hit the top. All right, so then you see the inside. This is where the loft is going to go for the girls. Then we're gonna have this window is gonna be up here. And then this window is going to be, it's gonna be on the back side of the loft. We haven't finished to foaming the window, but that's what we have. I just wanted to show you an update and hope you like it.